Hello, I'm Carl Stabe, and today I have Nick Lawless. He's the founder and CEO of CPS1 and Phobos Security and the author of Lawless Leadership, as well as executive assistant and what was it? Executive
Advisor and assistant.
advisor, Jennifer Spielman. Thank you so much for being here. During the interview, you talked about AI and how much it's helped. So, Jennifer, can maybe you walk through the system and then how Nick, you can tell us how it's affected your business.
Yeah.
Sure, love it. So with our Lawless Longhouse is our project that we have created in ChatGPT, and we did it off of a Viking theme. So with that, I have everything built out into that project. So it's everything that has to do with his different business entities. It has to do with his personal and home life, his family. So all of that is in there, and I have it built out into different pillars, just to kind of keep it organized if you wanted to just pull from a pillar. And then everything kind of flows into that one project. So with that, like if Nick got wanted to see what was going on for his week at any time, or if he wanted to see what any tasks that we had that still needed loops that were needed closing, he can go on and just ask anything from what's the status of the task, what am I responsible for. So I have a what's called a Nick's view. So when he asks ChatGPT, when he's logged in under his name, it'll show up the tasks that he's responsible for in priority order. And in that, it also will include anything that has to do with his family life. So if his daughter has a volleyball game or if there's a birthday coming up, all of that is kind of put into that one system. So I feel like it's been very helpful.
And
And then we
where is it
also,
pulling from? Because I'm guessing you update this information. So is there an API? I think you talked about using Zapier to like, does it pull from the calendar, pull from email? Like, how do you get that?
oh, so I have our connectors set up. So it flows from Nick's into mine into ChatGPT. So our connectors are set up in ChatGPT, and then I also have all my permissions open to view Nick's calendar, or if I need to log into his. And then we also have Zapier in there as well. And then if there's anything that needs to be, let's say for example, his daughter. She's so cute. She'll send me like the next month's schedule of her school. And so she'll send it to me as a picture and I just drop it into Chat GPT because she sends it to me through WhatsApp. So I just drop it into Chat GPT and it does its thing. So it's been great. I'm trying to set up a dad's notes GPT for him so that can be like an extra layer to that. But when he goes on there, if he's on Nick's view, if it's my view, then I will go on and I will see his plus mine, but it's a different priority order. Um, and so that it changes just depending on what the needs of the business are. So
That's cool.
It
Nick,
is.
how has it affected you?
Yeah, it has been phenomenal. I have ADHD, I'm not gonna lie, and it's been tough at times before Jen came on board, but now with Jen coming on board, helping me align myself a little bit better with the calendar, with the emails, with multiple business entities, using AI, and then me being able to just log on to my chat GPT, whether that's on my laptop, my phone, my tablet, and just ask, hey, what's today look like? She has made it so that like even on a daughter's birthday coming up, like, did you get the gift? Did you get the party? Do you need a party set up? That kind of thing. Like it's so detailed and so structured, and I admire what Jen has been able to do with that. And yeah, the AI piece has really just opened doors for time management, keeping me aligned, I guess, with both my business and my personal life, whether that's while I'm traveling, while I'm giving a speech, while I'm doing business out in California, or this summer I was in Europe. So even then I had to, keep an eye on everything. So it was very eye-opening what she has been able to do with the AI that she's incorporated into our business. I love AI. I think it's a great tool. I know how to use a lot. However, Jen has taken it to a whole new level, and I'm so glad that she's willing to learn, and she learns quick, because she'll tell me about a product or something that will make both of our lives easier, and within a couple days she already has it built into our whole program. So yeah, just eye-opening, time freeing, and more at peace. Yeah.
Mhm. That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
definitely.